Hun Menteri ke Sorkar Jylla mentakasngi tarik no pra arhajar arpusau kala menjur bantung yaka kong Suzana di Riat Shong MSS retired kum ka registrar kam secretary jaka Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute and Redressal Commission. Habakran cikilat pathai Khubor hadin balawai ke Jingelang uba polling do ulaya thu ba yaka kerteng jaka kong Suzana la menjur dakatanat Food Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs.
Third matter which came up for consideration before the cabinet was the appointment of the registrar cum secretary of the Meghalaya State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. The Meghalaya State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, which is a very important office, and a couple of names came up for consideration before the cabinet. And as per the recommendation of the department concerned, which is the Food and Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Department, the cabinet has agreed to the proposal to appoint Srimati Susana D. Shong, MSS retired, as recommended from the shortlisted candidates. So, Mrs. Susana D. Chong has been now duly approved by the cabinet for appointment as registrar cum secretary of the Meghalaya State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. So these were the major items that came up for consideration by the cabinet.
Kakunhun Menteri Sorkar Jylla mentakasngi tarik no pra arhajar arpusau kala menjur bantung ya uba bullingdo suyam retired MAS kum upus of Chief Administrative Officer jaga Meghalaya Natural and Organic Farming Society for Livelihood and Innovation in Agriculture. Yakani karai la pentip do Menteri Sorkar ba polingdo hadin balawai kajingyalang kakunhun Menteri.
See, in these specific cases, like for instance, this post of Chief Administrative Officer, the officer concerned, Mr. Suyam, is a highly qualified officer, and we are also in need of services of such officers, and it was after due diligence that this name was recommended.
Don't you think that there has been a...
we have a dearth of qualified officers, and to make up for that deficiency, we have to take recourse to such.
Do you think that the expenditure is involved?
But don't you think experience also counts?
No, too many are appointed.
Political appointees are...
No, this is not a political appointment. No, he's an officer belonging to that particular service, the Meghalaya Agriculture Service. It's not a political appointment.
But such a appointment of retired officials, there are too many. There are indications that too many retired officials are being accommodated by the government.
See, this is in this case, it is part of the policy of the Agriculture Department that in order to encourage this value chain development, you need to have such a board, and we have duly recommended an officer who is well qualified to handle the position. What the department has done is that it has shortlisted a few names, and amongst these names, the one found most suitable was that of Mr. Suyam. We have sought the views of various departments, including Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Law and Finance Department.